In this video, I'm going to cover and give you my exact Excel goal setting template. And yes, as you can see from this screen right here, this is a Google Sheet. However, you can download the Excel version of this goal setting template in the description section of this video. So you can download it there. And I'm just going to briefly cover kind of how to use this, essentially how to set your goals, how to know what to complete during what time frame and when, and all that good stuff. So we'll really kind of briefly cover this. But again, you can download the Excel goal setting template in the description section below. And all that I ask is that if you find the template and this video useful in any way, that you consider liking the video, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. Not only will that help me and kind of boost this video in YouTube's algorithm, which it will, but it'll also, especially by subscribing and liking the video, YouTube will show you more, hopefully highly valuable videos that I have here on this channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and actually get into this and actually hopefully provide some value. So, like I said, this is the exact template that I use for goal setting. And for me specifically, I actually plan everything out using this. So you can use this, for example, if you're an entrepreneur like myself and want to kind of better plan, and maybe you're just starting off, you want to better plan some of your goals, some of your projects that you have going on a monthly, weekly, and daily basis. You can use this, or you can use this specifically for goal setting. Okay. So first, once you download the Excel goal setting template, which again, it's in the description section, you will start off here in the ultimate goal sheet. Okay, so really simple. Right up here, you're going to write down your big goal, also known as the big domino. Okay, if you haven't read the book already, I'd highly recommend it. 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. Here he mentioned something called the big domino. Essentially, what is the one big goal that is going to make all the other projects or all the other goals either irrelevant or a lot easier? Okay, so in my case, so the big goal or the big domino that I needed to accomplish in order to really get a lot closer to my dream life, quote unquote dream life, my ideal life, was starting an online business. It was generating income online, which allows my wife and I to travel and to ultimately make significantly more than we would working somewhere else. Not obviously right off the bat, but as of now, we're actually both making more than we were before. Anyway, that was my big domino. That was my big goal. Okay, was starting an online business. So whatever your goal is, input it here. Make sure it's specific, it's measurable, it's time bound, and it's realistic. This kind of SMART framework. Make sure you include your goal here, okay, just for reference. Number 2, estimate how much time will be needed to complete this goal. Just so you can kind of, and again, try to challenge yourself a little bit, but don't overdo it, okay? You want to kind of have that you want to be in the middle there between, being so easy or taking so much time that it's really easy to complete. And then on the other end, trying to complete it way too fast and ultimately failing. So you want to kind of be somewhere within those parameters. And then right here, what I recommend is for any type of goal setting, think about what needs to be done in the first 1 month to first 3 months. Because what I found is when you start planning 4 months, 5 months, a year, 5 years in advance, it may be good to kind of hypothetically think about where you want to be 10 years from now, 5 years from now, 1 year from now. Those are great things to think about. But in terms of actually trying to plan that, that's not effective. And I have not found that to be true. And of course, you can edit this template to whatever you would like. But I find that the first 90 days especially is much easier to plan, particularly the first month. So at least get started with the first month. Between 1 month to the first 90 days of achieving your goal, what you'll want to do is basically figure out, okay, so I have this big goal, right? My big domino, or I have my big goal. What things, like big things, need to happen in the first 90 days to achieve that goal? Okay, so you take your big goal and you just divide it like, okay, so this big goal consists of X, Y, and Z. Okay, so you go ahead and put X, Y, and Z, whatever those projects or smaller goals may be. So you're taking a big goal, breaking it into smaller goals, really simple, and I'll show you how it even breaks out further to where you can know what you need to do every single week. Okay, so you'll break out and figure out what projects need to be completed. Step number 2 is, again, you have to estimate, but give an estimated time of completion for each project or each goal that you've input here. It's not going to be perfect, and that's fine. Done is better than perfect. So just try to, think about this in your mind. Maybe you have to do a little bit of Google research. You have to think back to, other similar projects that you've worked on and how long they have taken. But again, try to be realistic with this. Following, again, don't try to, kill yourself with setting it way too soon. And then also don't give yourself way too much time to where it's super easy. And then ultimately, you may not achieve your goal because you feel it's too easy, it's not challenging enough. Okay. So really, again, this is really simple. We'll kind of dive in a little bit further. Again, this is not meant to be complicated because that would be the opposite of what you want. So now you have your big goal, you know what that is, and you can easily see that, and be reminded of that every time you log in, every time you open the template. If you're using Google Sheets, every time you log in, you'll see that right off the bat. And you'll also see the big project, the next big projects, or the next kind of, also big goals, but smaller goals that need to be accomplished. Okay. So we take those goals, and what we're going to do is divide them out by the first 3 months. Again, if you only have 1 month, just plan for the first month. If you have all 3 months, then for all 3. And essentially what you'll do is you'll write here under the month category, so month 1, month 2, and month 3, you will write down the projects that need to be completed in that month. So you can take each of those, for example, let's say here we had, project 1, project 2, project 3. We'd go ahead and put project 1 here, project 2 here, project 3 here. Again, with the estimated time in hours. It can be whatever you want. It can be minutes if you really wanted to. But for me, it's better to put hours. And you may be thinking, okay, well, it's pretty much redundant, right? Well, not always, because what you write over here in the ultimate goal tab, this one goal here, okay, could translate to a few, let's say like 3 here in the first month. Okay, so it's not always going to line up like perfect, like 1 goal per month. It really, again, it completely depends on what type of goal, right? Is it financial, physical, relationship, spiritual, whatever your goal may be, financial. So yeah, this is step number 2. Just take your smaller goals that you've broken up, divide them out by the next 90 days, 1 for each month. So now we have monthly. We know what we need to accomplish on a monthly basis. That's great, but that's not really helpful for me. I need to really break that out further and really see what do I need to do on a weekly or even a daily basis to achieve this, okay? So we take our 90 days and then we break it out by week, right? So on average, right, about 4 weeks within each, 4 weeks within each month, not exactly 30 days, but you get the gist of it. So we have month 1, week 1, month 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, then we have the second month, okay, and then the third month. Right, and essentially what we're doing is we're taking those, we took a really big goal, we divided it out into smaller goals. We're taking those smaller goals and dividing them out into even smaller, more bite-sized goals. It's kind of like taking a gigantic piece of healthy food and then breaking it into really small bite-sized pieces, because otherwise you'll never be able to consume it. You'll get overwhelmed. You won't know how to consume it, right? But when you break it out into bite-sized pieces, it becomes much easier, and not only that, it's much more, you can attain it much more logically. Okay, so you just, again, break it out further into each kind of week. So now you have monthly, now you have weekly, and then finally, once you've completed this section, kind of broken everything out by week, you'll go to the daily section and then just break it out by day. And what I like to do is just plan for like the next week. So every Saturday, what I'll do is I'll log into into the Excel goal setting template, go to weekly. And I'll see what, okay, so let's say this is month 1, week 1. What do I need to accomplish? I copy this, go to daily, I paste it just somewhere in here, doesn't really matter. Paste it in here and figure out, okay, maybe let's say like this, we drag this goes over here, this goes over here to Wednesday, this goes over here to, let's say Friday, etc. Okay. And basically every Saturday, I plan for the next week, okay, the next upcoming week. I'll go in, and plan everything out. I achieve everything that I need to get done daily. If anything needs to be reworked, then, I kind of rework it a little bit. Then the next Saturday, I replan for the next week and so on and so on. And what happens is I can visually see, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and like gray this out. So maybe I'll like, I'll make it gray. Okay. So I know this is already accomplished, and I can actually visually see my progress and literally see myself getting closer to my goal. So I get closer to that 90-day mark. And then yes, there'll be another kind of 90-day, journey, another 90-day kind of goal setting process. But I can just gradually see myself get closer and closer and closer to my goal. And I know exactly what I need to do on a daily basis to ultimately achieve this. Because think about it, we basically reverse engineered your goal. A lot of times you'll see videos or you hear people talking about how to achieve your goals. And that's great. And that's partially what I did here. But really, it's also just as important or even more important is where do your goals come from? Or, what do you do on a daily, weekly basis to ultimately achieve your goal? And the only way that I can see logically doing that is by kind of reverse engineering your big goal, right? We took your big goal, this is what you want to accomplish, broke it down smaller and smaller and smaller until you know exactly what you need to do every single day or every single week in order to achieve it. and you can visually see it, which really helps motivate you to achieve that goal. Okay, so again, really simple. If you guys have any recommendations for ways to improve this or add to this, let me know. I'm always looking for input. Be sure to comment that below. If you guys like the video, like I said, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And also, if you're interested in learning more about goal setting, if you want to set and achieve goals faster and happier than ever before, then be sure to check out my brand new goal setting course available on Udemy. And it's just launched as of the creation of this video, so you can access the course for a limited time for only literally $10. So for $10, you can achieve literally any goal faster and happier than ever before. And if you don't absolutely love the course, Udemy will give you a full 30-day money-back guarantee, because that's where I'm hosting the course. It's on Udemy. So Udemy will give you a full 30-day money-back guarantee if it's not the greatest goal-setting course you've ever taken, if it does not absolutely help you get closer to every single goal that you want to achieve, both this year, next, and for the rest of your life. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check it out. Also, again, the free template is below, so be sure to download that, and you'll have access to all of this. As always, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate your support. Hope you find this immensely helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.